Imagine getting a full access pass to work explore and live in one of Europe's most vibrant countries, all without a job offer in hand. Sounds too good to be true, right? Welcome to the Netherlands Orientation Year Visa, a golden ticket for international graduates and skilled professionals. In this video, I'll break down everything you need to know about the 2025 Netherlands Orientation Year Visa. What it is, who can apply, how to apply, and why it might just be your gateway to a brand new life in Holland. So what exactly is this Orientation Year Visa? Well, the Orientation Year Visa, also known as the Zoekjaar, is like a backstage pass to the Dutch job market. It gives recent international graduates and highly skilled individuals a whole 12 months to explore job opportunities, work, intern, or even start a business, all without the stress of needing a separate work permit. Think of it like a career buffet. You try things out, find what fits, and if you like the taste, boom, you can transition into a long-term role, possibly even permanent residency later down the line. Who can apply for the Orientation Year Visa Netherlands? Listen, not everyone gets a seat at this buffet, or should I say the Orientation Year Visa isn't for everyone. So who's eligible? Recent graduates from Dutch universities or top international institutions, academic researchers, highly skilled migrants, entrepreneurs and freelancers. Basically, if you've got a degree that makes Dutch employers say, wow, or you've been doing research or innovation somewhere, you're probably in the running. Even if you studied outside the Netherlands, you might qualify, provided your university is top-ranked globally. Think Ivy League or top 200 in global rankings. What can you do during the orientation year? This isn't one of those look but don't touch visas. During your orientation year, you have complete access to the Dutch labor market. That means internships? Go for it. Freelancing? Absolutely. Start your own business? Why not? Work in a cafe while applying for that dream tech job. Sure thing. But there's only one catch. It's limited to 12 months, so make it count. How to apply? Alright, let's get into the juicy part. How do you actually apply? Visit the IND website and confirm if your degree or background qualifies you for the orientation year. You'll need a valid passport, proof of graduation, financial stability, about 1,300 euros per month, Dutch health insurance, and a statement of intent, or as I call it, your Dutch Dream Manifesto. Head over to www.in.nl and navigate to the orientation year page, then complete the online form. As of 2025, the application fee is about 228 euros. Not too shabby for a whole year of freedom, right? You might be invited for an interview, but otherwise just wait for that sweet email saying your residence permit has been approved. So why should you care about this visa, aside from the stroopwafels and bike-friendly streets? You get to immerse yourself in Dutch culture. You can job hunt with no pressure from employers to get you a permit. If you're hired as a highly skilled migrant, you qualify for a reduced salary threshold, making you extra appealing to employers. And who knows? What starts as 1 year could be your stepping stone to permanent residency or citizenship. Talk about leveling up. So there you have it. Everything you need to know about the Netherlands Orientation Year Visa in 2025. If you're dreaming of launching your international career, exploring a new culture, or just living the Dutch dream for a year, this is your chance. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, share it with a friend who needs this, and subscribe for more visa tips and international career hacks. Drop your questions in the comments. I reply to every single one. Until next time, keep dreaming global and planning smart. Tot ziens.